These crazy Disney style posters are generated with free AI, and I'm gonna show you how to create them step by step and sell them to make money. Before jumping into the video, I want you to lend me your finger for a moment.
What?
To hit the subscribe button. So without any BS, let's get straight to the chase, and don't skip any part of this video because each step is very important. First of all, go to Tensor Art and sign up with your Google or Discord account. Many of you may already know this website but may not know all the cool features it offers. From creating your own workflows to generating consistent characters, text to video generation, face swap, clothing art, anime, comic, and much more, each of which requires a separate video. And recently they've integrated FLUX modality, which really take it to the next level. In my opinion, this AI website is highly underrated. Anyways, they give you 100 free credits every day, which are more than enough to generate over 25 plus posters daily, even if you make a few mistakes along the way. After signing up, you will see this home page with a lot of options to choose from. You need to choose AI tools from the left hand side menu and look for a model that says FLUX generate posters with one click. Then hit this blue try button. Now scroll down and find any of the Disney style poster you like. Click remix and it will show you a sample prompt that was used to generate this poster. We need to copy that prompt and save it to our notepad or a Word document. And we will leave it here and come back to it shortly. Now let's go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate top selling poster art ideas based on the culture and buying behavior of USA audience. Don't take this step lightly because this will become basis for our poster designs in next steps. And let ChatGPT generate some preliminary ideas for us. We have got the ideas, let's quickly scan through them. I will skip retro park posters, motivational quotes, city skylines, patterns, vintage movie posters, history, icons, and photography. Botanical prints, animal portraits, and vintage cars. These three ideas are good. Let's narrow them down, and for this video I'm gonna go with animal portraits. I will go one step further and ask ChatGPT to give us 20 ideas for different animal style portraits. And there you go. Abstract, line art, pop art, animal in suits. I really like this. Let's go with cartoon animal characters because we can target two types of audience together. Number one, parents looking to buy for the room decor of their little ones, and number two, animal owners looking to buy this type of art for their pets. How? I will explain it further when we get to the selling part of this video, so keep watching. Finally, I will drill down one more time and ask ChatGPT to give us 20 animal cartoon poster ideas with a mix of funny and hilarious title texts. And here are the ideas we got. Let's use this idea, perfectly happy cat wearing crown and a bow tie. And do you remember the prompt we copied earlier from Tensor Art? Let's paste it back into ChatGPT and based on that prompt, ask it to write a unique prompt from the idea that we have picked. We have got the prompt, let's paste it into our Word document right below the original prompt, and now we need to make some minor adjustments. This step is very important, so watch closely. I will only take some pieces from the prompt that ChatGPT gave us and replace them with the text of our original prompt, excluding any irrelevant details. Remember, do not overcomplicate it. Don't write long sentences, just keep it short and to the point. So we have finalized our prompt, let's copy it and head back to Tensor Art. Clear the existing prompt and let's paste our own prompt here. Then I'm gonna change the size to 1152 into 1152 pixels, and I will let you know why I did this in a moment. Write any random seed and hit generate. It will take around 30 seconds and there you go. We have got our first poster ready and it looks amazing. Here are some more posters I generated using this model. Next step is to upscale our poster to around 4500 pixels, and you will know why when we get to the selling part. I will use pixel cut for this step. Upload your poster and upscale it 2x, then again upscale it one more time. Now that we have an ultra sharp image of 4500 pixels, let's jump to the most important part. That is how to sell these posters to make money online. You can sell them as a wall art, phone cases, notebook covers, pillow covers, mouse pads, and much more, as we will see in a moment. So let's go to RedBubble, click Sell Your Art, start selling, and sign up with a seller account. It's 100% free and you don't need to pay a single dollar to launch your store. RedBubble handles everything from products, shipping to collecting payments, and you will get your commissions when you make a sale. After signing into RedBubble, add your first design and upload the poster that we have upscaled. But this is not over yet. We have another very important step remaining, without which your store will not be approved. So don't leave this video now. Let's add the title, tags, and description. I will not explain RedBubble SEO here because that's an entirely different topic. Then you scroll down and first of all, you need to disable all the designs that are already enabled by default. Now here is the most important part. That is uploading your designs with the right dimensions so that they fit perfectly on different types of products. For this, RedBubble has provided a standard size guide that you need to follow. I will link that in the description. Scroll to the end of that guide and here are the standard dimensions for different categories of products such as phone cases, stationery, and wall art. So let's go ahead and add our first product. I will go to wall art and here are the standard sizes of posters that we must be following. I'm going to make a medium size poster. Go to Canva and create a custom size of 3500 into 5000 pixels. Upload the poster, resize and adjust it, and once you're happy with your design, download it. Then come back to RedBubble, find poster, click edit, replace image, and upload the resized poster. And congratulations, your first design is live. Make sure to scroll down and save your work. Likewise, you can keep adding more products according to their standard size. That's why we have upscaled the image so the same can be resized and used for multiple products. Finally, make your store live once you've added at least 5 different designs. As an example, you can also check out my store where I've already added around 50 products. I will left links to these pages in the description should you wish to review them. And I wish you all the very best if you decide to go ahead and launch your own store on RedBubble or any other print-on-demand website. But before going, please lend me your finger again to like this video and feel free to comment if you have any questions. I will be posting a lot of cool content on this channel, so stay connected and take care until we meet again in the next video.